Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. We are seeing a series of tutorials about Revit with small tools and tips and tricks. So do subscribe and share it with your learning friends so that they also learn it. So here I'm sharing with the screen that if you're an architect or if you're an MEP person and you may be seeing it space or room option where the room center position will be here and the tags will be in different place. But sometime due to the furniture or any other options, we may move it to other places wherever we have a clear space, we will be moving it, and we may have to move the position of this to the center of the room sometime, and we will try to move that back to the center of the room by manually sometime in some other views if the furniture layouts are turned off. So these things are a tedious task. Manually we have to click 3 times or 2 times for this. So how do we reduce? This is one of the most useful option. I'm showing you this in 2020 version, and you have a usual options like select host, pick host, reconcile. But in 2026 I see that we can have a room like this, and you see that our rooms are in different place, but I like to have it in the center of the room. So you select the room and you have an option recenter reference. So what happens, it automatically moves to the center of the room. And when you want to move this tag as well, so you can select the tag and see move to the room reference. So you can select it, automatically it moves to the center of that room, particular room. Similarly for this room, you can select it, move the reference to the center, and the tag as well. If the furnitures are there, you can keep the tag there itself, or you can move them to the center of the room so that it will be very much useful and the number of clicks will be reduced. What it means, so if you have hundreds, thousands of rooms, will it be a time consuming job? Yes, it could be, but we have a Dynamo, we can automate it. If the tools are already existing, we can do that automatically in Dynamo nodes as well. Dynamo nodes can be introduced and it can be used in automation as well. I hope this small trick helped you in the recent versions. Do share it with your learning friends if you're learning this new, so that you won't forget it. Otherwise you will forget this particular option. And see you on the next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And don't forget it, if you have any similar questions in Revit, leave your comments below. I can try to answer with your name in the next tutorial. Bye bye. See you.